Delete your social media apps for more clarity, mental health, focus, and more so of a joyful, purposeful, inspirational life. Welcome back to Keep Inspiration Alive. I'm your host, Mr. Michael Adams. Delete your social media apps. Today we're talking about how to get more clarity and get more work done and calm yourself down and not get so hung up and wired into the addictive behaviors of social media. I know it can be hard. I know it can be difficult. You've started to realize that, wait a minute, these things really are addicting. Yeah. Social media, especially Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they're all very, very, very addicting. All of them can be very addicting. And so we need to take control back of being online to live in a more intentional way of living and not let technology, more so social media, control us, our lives. Slow down, take a deep breath, and get off your social media. It's a challenge, challenging you to just do 1 week. And then over a period of time, you will extend it further. Try it for a week. What you can do during that time is focus on learning a new skill. Maybe you need to learn your new technology, like on the computer, upload photos. Maybe you need to learn the computer skills just in general. This might be a great opportunity to actually get your environment cleaned up and focus on cleaning up the home area or clean up your online presence, get your emails under control. Great book I recommend, which I will have in the description, is the Marie Kondo, Spark Joy at Work. Huge advocate of that. And her book, the Tidy Up Your Home. Huge advocate of that as well. So when you take time off, really devote yourself to another hobby, another thing, another area in your life. And you'll start to see that your nervous system kind of comes back into play. As your nervous system comes back into alignment, you will start getting more clarity on what it is that you want to do and what sparks joy in your life. And you'll notice a sense of better all-around well-being. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Have you done a social media detox in the past? If so, how did it go for you? Drop it in the comments. Let's start a conversation about this. There you have it. I am Mr. Michael Adams, and you have watched Keep Inspiration Alive. I do have, if you could go check out in the descriptions down below, I have a place for love donations, as anything will help keep me going, and also a link for buy me a coffee, and that is a little place where you can donate. It's like in $5 increments. And make sure you check out my clothing line, Keep Inspiration Alive. I'll have links for all those down below, and any donations to help keep me going forward would be greatly appreciated, as I would love to continue to make content to help you guys in areas of life and be that inspirational life coach for you guys. There you have it. I'll see you next time, and this is Keep Inspiration Alive.